Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to check that if a file exists or not in a Node.js, right? So it is very easy to implement. Let's understand. But before starting, make sure that you have this package.json file inside your main folder, right? If you don't have this, you just need to write npm in it here, npm in it, and you will get the package.json file, right? Now coming forward, we just need to import the file system from the node, right? So file system module, for that we write const fs equals to require and then put a bracket here. Inside the bracket we write fs, right? So what is this doing? It is actually importing this file system with the help of this require method and storing it inside this fs variable, right? Okay, got it. Now after that we just need to write fs and then dot, and since we want to see that whether the file exists or not, that means that whether we can access it or not, right? So that's why we write here the fs.access, fs.access. When we write this we can check, right? And then we put a bracket here. After putting the bracket we write uh, basically the name of the file that we want to check, right? So I want to check this first.txt file here. I want to see that whether it is present or not, right? So I will write first.txt, right? After that, what we need to write? We need to write a optional field, that is fs.constant.f underscore OK. I know it sounds quite lengthy, but this is the optional field. You can check it in the official documentation, right? What it will do, let me first write and then explain it to you. fs.constants, right, dot capital F underscore OK, like this. Got it? By this, what is actually happening? By this, what is happening is that it is saying to this fs.access module, that method, sorry, that to check for the existence of file only, not to check that whether there is a permission to read or write the file or not. We just want to see that whether the file exists or not, right? So that's why we write this optional field, right? After that, comma, and then we put a callback function, that is function bracket. Inside of it we write err, right? So that err denotes the error, right? So after putting the curly bracket we write if there is a error. In that particular case you do write console dot error. For the debugging we use console dot error, right? And inside of this we write err, like this. And then else you just say that console dot log and file exists. Means if the file is actually present, it will go to this else statement, that is file exists. But if the file is not present, in that particular case it will give an error, and that error we can get with this line of statement, right? So let's see that whether it is present or not. So first you need to save this code, control plus s. After that go to the terminal, write node. After that, nodes, because it is a node project, right? So node and the name of the main file, that is script.js. So script.js, and press enter. After pressing the enter, you can see I'm getting the result as file exists, because the first.txt file is present here, right? In case if it is not present, let's write this fist.txt. Since fist.txt file is not present here, in that particular case what will happen? We just need to write here node script.js, press enter, and we can see I'm getting that no such file or directory is present, right? Or you can write it in a clean way also, that is console.log, and inside of this you can write that no such file exists, because in case the file is not present it throws an error, and if error is present we write this. So let's just go to the terminal and again we are going to run it. So just run it and you can see no such file exists. Like this you can also get in the terminal, right, as a result. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.